Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of coin collecting as we explore the value and worth of the 2012 Abraham Lincoln 1-cent coin. If you're a coin enthusiast or just curious about the potential value of that penny in your pocket, you're in the right place. Let's get started. Before we get into the nitty-gritty details, let's take a close look at the star of the show, the 2012 Abraham Lincoln 1-cent coin. This coin features a stunning design of Abraham Lincoln on the obverse and the Lincoln Memorial on the reverse. Now, let's discuss some historical context. The 2012 Abraham Lincoln 1-cent coin is part of the larger Lincoln Bicentennial series, released between 2009 and 2010 to commemorate the 200th birthday of Abraham Lincoln. Each year featured a different design, and 2012 marked the final year of this series. When it comes to determining the value of a coin, its condition is paramount. Coins are typically graded on a scale from poor, P1, to perfect uncirculated, M70. The higher the grade, the more valuable the coin. One exciting aspect of coin collecting is the potential discovery of rare varieties. For the 2012 Abraham Lincoln 1-cent coin, some collectors look for errors or variations that can significantly increase its value. So, what's the market value of a typical 2012 Lincoln cent in average condition? As of my knowledge cutoff date in January 2022, you could expect to find them in circulation, and their value is generally around 1 cent. However, if you're lucky enough to have a coin in excellent condition, you might be looking at a higher value. Some coins from the Lincoln Bicentennial series have been sold for $21,000 to collectors. But remember, rarity and condition play a significant role in determining collectors' value. If you're interested in collecting coins like the 2012 Abraham Lincoln 1-cent coin, here are some tips. Always handle your coins with clean hands or gloves to preserve their condition. Store your coins in coin holders or capsules to protect them from scratches and environmental damage. Stay informed about coin values and potential rare varieties through books, websites, and coin collecting communities. If you believe you have a valuable coin, consider having it professionally authenticated and graded by a reputable grading service. The 2012 Abraham Lincoln 1-cent coin is a fascinating piece of numismatic history. While most of these coins are still in circulation, some may hold special value to collectors, especially if they are in excellent condition or have rare varieties. That wraps up our exploration of the 2012 Abraham Lincoln 1-cent coin's value and worth. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more coin collecting content, and let us know in the comments if you've ever found a rare coin in your pocket. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting!